We just made it to Yellowstone on our little Babymoon road trip. Going into the fly shop. Gonna be a fun weekend, huh? COVID style. Freeze it and almonds. Work. You've made that. Just walking back from some hot pots, and while we're walking, since this is our Babymoon, the other day I made Alan guess what he thinks the baby's gonna be. What was your guess?
Twist my arm.
I made him.
Boy.
And then my guess is a girl. Not that there's gonna be a winner. We'll just be excited to see what it'll be. We have 2.5 weeks left till our due date, so really the baby could come anytime. Okay, we're leaving with our huckleberry fudge ice cream. Breakfast lunch, huh?
Yep.
At the picnic, it was recommended to us. What did you order from the picnic?
The caldera.
It's pretty yummy. You know, all the onions and and then I got one that was recommended with has huckleberry jam on it. Cindy Bear.
Your hand. Oh, she went over the belly.
So what do you?
So
Was it going side to side?
No, you only do it over the belly. I used to do it just like this, even if you're not pregnant. Okay. No, on the hand.
On her hand, I did it over the baby.
No. Okay, do it over the baby because you already have a baby. but I'll show you then with your husband what is happening.
Don't go there.
Oh.
I'm not doing anything. See, I'm not doing a thing.
You just have to wait until it really does it. Because it can, at this point, it can still go down.
Okay.
You got
Is it
twins.
starting to go around?
Yeah, it is round, yeah.
It is round.
That's a girl, huh?
That's a girl.
That's a girl.
Let's do him.
I don't know what that is.
No, because you can tell each sex what they will have. I mean, after all, you're supposed to be the father, right?
You just really hold it and it does it all itself.
But how will we ever know?
Yeah, how will we ever know? You're gonna have to. We know now.
Yeah, I guess you're the father. Congratulations.
I'm just heading to find a thrift store. Alan went to a fly shop, so I'm heading to a thrift store. Virginia City, Montana. It is like the most charming town I think I've ever seen. So this is the blacksmith shop. Those ceilings. Look at that register too. Wow, it's pretty. Oh, thanks.
6 out of 7.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Time for pizza at Bob's place.
Yep, we decided to share just a margarita. How much was it?
So 20 bucks?
Yeah. Okay, we just finished eating at Bob's place. It was good. It was like pizza and sandwiches, but it was definitely quite overpriced. We're now gonna go get some ice cream to fill in the holes. So I got the huckleberry, honey, and lavender. They make it in-house. Helen got, what was yours again?
Gold Rush.
Gold Rush, so it's like brown sugar. I don't know, it's really good though. Really yummy flavor.